Hey guys, I'm Toby from Shiels. I'm here to talk to you about an amazing G-Shock release. This one is called the Carbon Core Guard. The model number will be listed below. I'll just show you what this watch looks like. Comes in this really cool metal case. And here is the watch itself. So this watch is a little bit different to the other resin Casio watches in that the actual watch mechanism itself is guarded in a carbon fiber core. Very, very cool looking watch. Really nice dial. And yeah, as I said, protected by a carbon core, so actual carbon fibers in there, and then encased in resin. Really cool blacked out theme. You can see that watch is pretty stealthy. 200 meter water resistant. It actually comes with 31 different time zones, so it's representing every time zone you could possibly imagine. I think 51 cities are listed on there. The watch itself is also 200 meter water resistant, which is suitable for diving. Indestructible watch, as all G-Shocks are. They're really at the benchmark for durability. The battery itself in this watch is a 3-year battery, and this new blacked out look is kind of on trend at the moment and really, really cool watch. So come and check it out at Shiels Jewelers.